How do insurance deductibles affect plumbing repairs? A deductible is the amount of money you have to pay out of your own pocket before your homeowner's insurance starts covering the rest of a plumbing repair. So if the damage costs less than your deductible, insurance will not pay anything at all. Think of a deductible like a toll booth you have to pass through before the insurance company opens its wallet. Let's say your deductible is $1,000 and a burst pipe causes $3,000 in damage. You would pay the first $1,000 yourself, and the insurance company would cover the remaining $2,000. Something a lot of people do not realize is that plumbing damage is not always treated the same way. Sudden and accidental damage, like a pipe that bursts without warning, is usually covered. But damage caused by slow leaks, old age, or lack of maintenance is often denied, even if it seems just as expensive and just as urgent. Insurance companies often send out an adjuster to figure out whether the cause was sudden or gradual, and that decision can completely change whether you get any money back at all. Knowing this ahead of time helps you keep better records and maintain your plumbing system so small leaks do not turn into denied claims. One common mistake homeowners make is assuming every plumbing issue is covered, when really, gradual damage like slow leaks behind a wall often gets denied, so it helps to schedule regular plumbing inspections to catch problems early. Another mistake is filing a claim for a repair that costs less than the deductible, which can actually raise your premium without any real benefit, so it is smarter to just pay small repairs out of pocket. A lot of people also forget to take photos and keep receipts right when the damage happens, and without that proof, insurance companies can delay or reduce your payout, so always document everything the moment you notice a problem. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.